Okay, 2010 Acura MDX alternator. Tensioner bolt. Here's the bolt right there. Tensioner is here. Bolt is there. This is very, very, very difficult to get off based on the way that Honda designed this stupid hard AC line right here. So what you can do is pop off the connections here and down below. You can see right there, just so it's free a little bit, and then be very careful because you will strip the sides of that socket from that tensioner. So what I did was I had to end up hammering on a socket onto the tensioner. I'm going to give this a shot. And then I've got a Harbor Freight tensioner, serpentine belt tensioner tool that I'm going to attach right there, and hopefully that'll do the trick. But the crow's feet that they come with, unfortunately, just ended up stripping out the head of the tensioner bolt. So be real super careful. This is a very difficult job as far as alternators go. I would even consider it to be not a DIY, just because it's not worth your time. If you can find somebody to do it for 2 hours worth of labor, it's totally worth it. It's just, there's just typical Honda baloney dealing with moving everything out of the way, special tools, all that stuff that you don't even want to deal with. Got a lot of cars, got 7 other cars, and this one, just a complete piece of crap. But be super careful because that hard AC line, I really hope I don't have to replace this after I'm all done. Yeah, that tensioner bolt, super stubborn in this job. And yeah, just be cautious. That's really the only gotcha on this job, but it's a real doozy on this 2010 Acura MDX. All right.